This is the most important cook in my life, and Diana is absolutely smashing me at the moment.
That's it. Good pace, Diana. Just keep it up.
I am so far behind, it's not funny.
Come on, honey. Keep pushing.
There's so much self-doubt going on, and at this rate and with my attitude, I won't get this dish up today.
Huh?
Sorry.
You are?
Yeah, just...
What?
I don't know, just... I can't beat her, George. She's too good.
That's your mind playing with you. And you do that as a cook. You always question your ability, question how good you are. You've got to shut those things down that say that to you.
Yeah, thanks, George.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Come on, go for it.
I'm really proud of Dad.
When I hear my little one, Phoenix, it breaks my heart a bit, but I love him to death.
You can do it, Dad.
In that moment, I can't give up.
Go for it, Dad.
Thanks, Pino.
I really need to start believing in myself a little bit more. I'm here in the grand finals of MasterChef. I need to realise where I am, embrace it, and be more confident in my cooking ability.
I can definitely do this. I just need to get out of my own head. I've had a couple of setbacks, but I just got to keep pushing on.
This is why I look up to you.
I can't tell if this mixture has crystals in it, but at this stage, I feel like I've taken way too much time trying to get this element up. I think I'm gonna have to go with it. I just hope it won't crystallise when it starts to set.
It seems crazy doing a time call like this, but 1 hour down, 5 hours to go. Let's keep the pace up. Come on.
Come on, guys.
The Calvados sugar-crusted liquor has to work.
Be careful.
Everything's hanging on this right now. I've spent so much time redoing it that I can't afford for it not to work. I'm really hoping that as soon as I cut through it, it's going to be oozing out with liquor in the middle. That is the center of the apple. It is a major element and I've completely messed that up and it's going to cost me.
Come on, Daisy.
Come on, Daisy.
If you're not happy, leave it.
No, not doing this stuff. I just feel so disappointed in myself. This is probably the biggest thing I've ever done in my life. Right now, it's all slipping away.
Come on, Diana. Come on, Diana. You can do it. Keep going. Don't give up now, Diana. Honestly, keep going.
I don't know how to pull myself together. I've spent way too much time on this, and now I don't think I've allowed myself enough time to get that presentation perfect.
Come on, Diana.
To be quite honest, I don't know how I'm gonna get it done.
Refocus. Come on.
You can do it.
Take a breath. Take a step back, Daisy.
Yeah, Diane, you can do it.
Yeah, we love you.
You are amazing. Rock star.
My mom's always said, reach for the top and never be mediocre. You're never second best, you always have to be the best, so just push for the top.
Come on, weapon.
Come on, Daisy, let's go. Yes, come on, Daisy.
I've grown up with that thought in my head all my life. This is it. I'm not gonna let this break me.
Come on, Diane. Come on.
Come on, Daisy.
For the last time in 2017, boom, boom, shake the room, 5 minutes to go!
It looks so good. Don't you drop it. Don't drop it. Hey, Daisy, come on. She hasn't painted hers yet.
I'm feeling overwhelmed. That was my last cook in the competition. I'm 3 points ahead of Ben, but I'm not sure how I've done. I'm keeping my fingers and toes crossed. It's all in the hands of the judges now.
Well, nothing left in the tank.
Definitely
Hardest thing
the
you've
hardest
ever
thing
done?
I've ever done.
Kirsten, what do you think?
I think that they're pretty damn impressive.
I think they're amazing too.
I mean, there's some obvious little mistakes there.
There is.
She tried to make the Calvados liquid centres twice. That really set her behind.
That was a decision she made, and making that decision, I think, cost her
the detail.
finish and the detail on the fruits.
Yeah.
It does look a little bit like this is a still life of fruit, watercolour that's been left in the rain. But I was also really impressed to see her go back and try to make that again.
Yeah.
Because she didn't want to give up. I think that was really impressive.
Let's cut them open and have a look inside.
That's that.
It's the chocolate.
Chocolate's really thick.
That's good.
Oh, yeah. That looks great.
Yeah.
I mean, it hasn't got the liquid centre.
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
fantastic.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice work.
I honestly don't know if I've done enough to win today. I was trailing going into this third round. There were times where I was completely down and out. But what I can say is I went for it and I did the best I could.
Guys, how good does that look?
The depth of colour in the mandarin, the shading on the pear, I mean, it's unbelievable.
It looks real.
I think the end result is phenomenal. When you set a recipe, you want someone to be able to achieve it and be happy and proud of their result.
Yeah.
And I think that that is exactly the result I wanted.
I reckon there's a point for realism there for sure.
Shall we?
Let's.
Oh, look at that.
That's amazing.
That's really good. So the chocolate isn't as thick as Diana's, is it?
No.
So, again, the only thing he's missing, a bit like Diana, was that liquid centre.
Yeah, just a sugar-crusted liqueur.
It's a bit thicker, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's taste.
Oh, that's thick, isn't it?
Welcome to the grand finale of MasterChef for 2017. We started with 24 of the best amateur cooks in the country in our search for the one. And what an epic challenge and a fitting end to what has been a tremendous year. Ben, Diana, Kirsten, Tibballs set you an unforgettable pressure test. Boy, was it a nail-biter. Unbelievable. One of you is about to be named Australia's MasterChef for 2017.
It's time to reveal the scores. After round 2, Ben, you're on 54 points. Diana, you were 3 points ahead on 57. In this round, there are 40 points up for grabs. Ben, let's reveal your scores first. Ben, an amazing performance. And that's why I gave you 9 out of 10.
Ben, I scored you 9 out of 10.
Ben, I scored your dish an 8 out of 10.
Ben, your fruits were the most lifelike. I scored them a 9 out of 10.
Ben, that means you scored 35 points out of a possible 40, and after round 3, that gives you a total of 89 points. So, Diana, you need 90 points to win. Let's see how you went. I scored your dish 8 out of 10.
Diana, I scored your dish 8 out of 10.
Diana, I scored you 8 out of 10.
Diana, that gives you a score of 81. Need a 9 or more from me to become Australia's next MasterChef. Diana, your apple and your pear both ate beautifully. I scored you 9 out of 10. Diana, that gives you a grand total of 90. You are Australia's MasterChef for 2017.